what's this place? We are approximately 60 kilometers north of the most northern part of Medellin. Join me as we explore this rich gold mining town and see what it has to offer. Let's go. Santa Fe is located to the western side of the Cauca River. We have just left our hotel and we're going to go and tour the town. This town was discovered by the man standing behind me, Jorge Robledo. He discovered this town way back in 1541. Oh, there's Jorge there. The man on the statue. Jorge lived from 1917 to 1990. That means he would have been 63 years old. See? Jorge. Jorge. Santa Fe, muy bonita. I will go that way. Ciao. Here is a wall with all the famous people that have come to Santa Fe. Most people were about 60 to 70 years old when they died. Surprisingly, that was a long time ago. Oh, check it out. There is Jorge himself. 1917 to 1990. Unfortunately, Juan del Corral only lived from 1778 to 1814, making him 36 years old. It's very unfortunate. He was a president. Alright, let's continue on. The buildings here are ridiculous. I love it. Look at all these crazy window coverings. More for decoration these days, I'm assuming. Alright, we have made it to the town square. We'll make our way to the church. It's got a bunch of restaurants here. Hotel, Restaurante, Cafe. Seduction says that it's called a sex shop. I wonder what they do in there. Didn't even know they had that here. Wow. Well, let's head down this steep road. Man, why do they make this so steep? This is crazy. Got some nice graffiti. Oh, I wonder what gang that is. T57. Oh, not sure. Oh, cool. What's this place? Jugo de naranja. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Qué es eso? Jugo de naranja. Yeah. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Cuesta 3.500 pesos.
3.000, sí.
Y tengo de 5.500 también. Puedes ver, tengo de 5.500.
No, por favor. Sí. Sí.
Y es de 3 kilos.
Ok, grande.
Manejamos la vitamina de los 500 de 3 kilos.
What's he got over here? I don't want any of that stuff. Jugo de naranja. Ladies first. You go first. Rico? It's Rico? See? Okay. I think this is the best orange juice in Colombia. It's gonna taste pretty good. What happened? Muy bonita. Uno grande.
Uno grande para usted también. Grande de lo que sea. Bueno.
Holy, hey.
Dígame cómo. Está bien.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
5.500.
5, okay. Gracias.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. Fresh orange juice. Nothing beats it right on the side of the road in Colombia. Check this out. We're literally right on the road. I give this Jugo de Naranja 9.4 out of 10. It's a little warm, but I'm thirsty anyway. What's this guy got? He's got like a farm. And some horses back there. Oh man, the road came to an end. How about we go to the left? I know one thing, we won't be going across that bridge. Wow. When I was going down that hill back there, I forgot I had to go back up. So now we're going back up. Check out these roads surrounded by concrete. Nice big rocks. They last forever. Where the hell are we now? What's going on here? This guy's just cutting up some rebar. It's not even rebar, it's like 1-inch metal rod. All that to cut one piece. Oh my god. They don't have a cement truck. They gotta mix it all by hand. Are you for real? This is crazy. Wow, they gotta do that all by hand. Now that's a hard job. Wow. Those bags are 50 kilograms each. Look at that, it's like 8 inches thick too. Oh my god. These roads are built forever. Look at that. There's a road way up there they've already poured. Oh man, I can imagine how long that takes. What do you know? We gotta climb up another hill. Oh, this is crazy. I don't have to go to the gym if you live here. Man, it's so hot. All right, we made it to the top. We're definitely not going that way. St. Barbara Temple. Coffee delivery. Just like in the old school days.